Hi everyone, in this video I'll be talking about how to create this kind of floating icon in your application. So for this, first of all, you will have to import a package by the name animator. I will put the link of this icon and code in the description box. You can check that. So this is my home screen, and I have taken the height and width of the container dynamically. You can use according to your requirement. So this is inside scaffold, body is center, so the each and everything will be in center. And then this is my container, and this is the container inside which my this icon is floating. So let me show you. When I will change this color, like this. So this is the container, right? So inside which the icon is floating. So let me revert back. Let me run this once again. And inside container there is animator, which is coming from the package, and this is the duration. This is basically the speed of the movement of this icon. You can customize it. The cycle is 0, curves, you can manage different animation from here, and this is twin, and this is the beginning and ending point. You can increase or decrease the beginning and ending point of the animation. So this inside builder I have taken column, and inside column there is a space of this height, and then inside container I have taken here box shadow for showing this kind of reddish shadow. You can also change it from here. This is the opacity that I have used, and inside this container there is my icon. You can change the color, size and type of icon inside this. And yep, I will definitely going to put this code in on Git and will share the link with you people. So make sure to like and subscribe my channel, and that's it for now. Hope to see you next time in our next video. Bye for now.